Hi everyone, thanks for stopping back by for another video. And if you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am always happy to have you. And welcome back to all my returning subscribers. And today's video is one of my Ipsy bags. And I only have one because the second one is God knows where. It's been holding somewhere since the 18th of July. I don't have it. I usually do for each month Ipsy versus Ipsy, 2 different profiles, and I had to contact Ipsy and they're sending out another one, and I have no idea when I will be getting that one. So like you've seen with many, I'm sure this is the Ipsy bag with the cute little Ipsy tab pull. I mean, cute bag with all the, you know, palm leaves. And this one is my real profile, 57, you know, all that information. There's nothing different about it. And the theme for July 2019 is Dive In. There's the card. And then you get a card with all of the items on it that are in your bag. And they will vary because they have many variations. And I'm just going to pull the first thing out. And this, I'm trying to think who the company is. BRTC. And it is a vitalizer sleeping mask and pore tightening sleeping mask set. So that's what this looks like. And there's 2 of them. You can see they're 2 different packs. So that's interesting. Pore tightening, why not? And they're sleeping masks, so you can leave them on. Yeah, leave it on while you sleep, rinse off in the morning. Okay, I like that. And if you don't know, for you know, which I'm sure most people do watching these videos, Ipsy is $10 a month, and you get 4 to 5, you know, usually sample or deluxe sample sizes, and every once in a while you get a full-size product. The next item in my bag is from Smashbox, and it is right here. And this is Always On liquid lipstick in Babe Alert. And just have a seal. Okay. I love lip products, so oh, that's an interesting doe foot applicator. The ones with like a little hole in the center. Not necessarily a fan of those, so this goes on very nice. Oh, I always like the smell. It smells good. So here is the swatch on my hand. Definitely a color that I like. So is that going to dry down? Is that a matte? Doesn't really say. No, it doesn't say. Okay. It doesn't matter to me. If it's matte and I don't like it, I can always put a gloss on top of it. And then the next item is from a company called Red Earth, and this is Brighten concentrate oil with oh my god, Cacuda plum. I never heard of that. I'm sure I just massacred that. Let's see what this looks like. And this is, oh, it's an Aussie brand and infuses a blend of powerful native ingredients into the skin. Oh, this is really nice. This is what it looks like. And this does have a safety seal on it, so I am not going to open it. Massage a few drops of this oil into freshly washed neck and face upward in a circular motion. Store at room temperature. So I'm always happy to get oils, and you know, this will last a long time because you really only need a drop or 2. So that's nice. Let's see what else is in here. We have a product from Ciate London, which I love that brand, and this is Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. Oh, that does not have a safety seal. I don't like that, but I still will use it. Definitely smells like watermelon. So this is what this looks like right here. Ciate London. Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. Okay. Wow, that's going to smell nice. Infused with black beads. Will dissolve into your skin, then blend. So you can see the little black beads in there. That's interesting. Okay. I like that. I love using primers under any makeup that I put on. And then this next thing is, the brand is Phase Zero, and this is a blusher in Cotton Candy. This is what the package looks like. Pinks, I prefer more like peachy blushes, but it depends. This might be too bright. So this is what the packaging looks like out of the box. Can never get these little things open. Okay. Has a mirror, so that's what it looks like. And I probably won't keep that, just like I said, I prefer like peach tones, or even like sometimes the warmer, like darker colors, you know, for blush rather than pink. Pink and me just do not get along when it comes to that. So the products that I got, plus along with this really cute bag, and for my Ipsy for July 2019, and I'm liking everything in there, the oils, the blush, the primer. I love a good lip product. And then this is interesting, this face mask and pore tightening mask and a vitalizer mask. So I like everything that's in here. So that is my Ipsy. And real fast, I wanted to, I had said that if I decided to keep this palette, and this came in my Yes or Yes palette, and this is the Annette 69, and I did use it the other day, and lovely, I love it. So I will swatch it for all of you. I will re-show you the colors. I will just cover up. And I did swatch it, and I did use it. So this is what the palette looks like. So I'm going to swatch the colors so you can see. And I do have a, let me just get this lipstick off. And that is definitely a matte lipstick. That's going to be, I might need to use like a makeup remover to get it off. It looks like it's really staying in my hand there, but that's okay. So I'm going to swatch the top row. So I'm going to swatch 6, 9, Baddie, and Dreamer across the top and show you them. And these are very buttery in your finger, and I'm just going around a few times in the pan. They're not really what I would say, I think there was only one that I noticed some fallout. Just want to make sure I'm not reusing fingers here. So we get, and the colors are really, and they feel great on your skin. Now the 6 and Dreamer are definitely feel creamier than the 9 and Baddie. I'm probably not going to be able to see them on my fingers because I pretty much, oh, I swatched weird this time. So this first one here is 6, 9, Baddie, and Dreamer in that order this way. So they are nice. I like those. And I had blended them before I tried them, and they're fine. I mean, some of them are light, and I don't have a problem ever applying a shade and building it up myself rather than it be so pigmented that you even touch your eye with it and it is too dark. I don't like that. I like lighter shades. Okay, I have, this is, so I'm going to do Leo, which is this one right here, the second one. I'm going to do Alien Girl, Dinero, I think that is, and Muffin right here. So I'll swatch them. I just want to make sure my arm is dry so that it doesn't go on funny. And maybe I will hit the top part of my arm this time. I mean, they just feel so nice. I mean, they are nicely pigmented, and the green and the blue, I didn't wear the blue. The green was the one, and you can sort of see a little bit of clumpiness there, a little bit of fallout in the pan, kick up in the pan, not really fallout in the pan. So then there are those colors. So this is right here. I hope you can see that. I might move my arm so you can see better. Leo. This is Alien Girl. This is Dinero. And then this is Muffin. And I don't know if you can see them on my fingers right there. So, I mean, they're beautiful colors. And wait till you see the glitters. Oh, the glitters were so pretty. I wore, believe, and some of these or you know, they are pigmented. I mean, you'll see some staining on my skin. I'll have to just use soap and water or a makeup remover. Like you can see there, that pink is on there. So, which is fine. You know, when you do a base, you know, you put like Max Paint Pot or put concealer on. I mean, that does help from the pigment really laying down in your eye. So then the next row is Unstoppable, Ruiz, Boss, and Fire. Now the blue is going to stain for sure. So let's do Unstoppable. I mean, these are beautiful, beautiful colors. That's why I decided to keep it. I mean, beautiful purple. Ruiz is a beautiful purple. Boss is a light blue, but it's beautiful. And then Fire feels a little chalkier, and I noticed that even when I used it, but look at the pigment. So this is Unstoppable. This is Ruiz, this purple. Hopefully you'll see that. This blue is Boss, and this is Fire. And I'm going to stand up again so that you guys can get a good shot at the color. So this is Fire. This is Boss. This is Ruiz, so it's a nice purple. And then this is Unstoppable. So the blue does stain. Which is okay. I mean, it doesn't stain to the point. I mean, you can see it's coming off. I'm using a wash rag. I'm out of wipes. Usually I have micellar water wipes, and it takes everything right off. If you don't have a problem. So then the next ones that I'm going to show you are going to be the heart ones, the glitters. So this is $4.20. This is $9.51. And then we have Believe and Hustle right here. So I'll show you those. Just want that to dry. And these are so pretty. And these I'm just going to dab on. I am not going to move them around so that you can get the full effect. I mean, if my arm's a little wet, it's okay. Because, you know, I would suggest always, you know, these are definitely a pressed glitter to use, you know, glitter glue. But I used Believe, and it was gorgeous. And Hustle was actually pretty too. If I would have done more of the blue like silvery look. Okay. So this is $4.20 right here. This is $9.51. This is Believe, and then this is Hustle. And I'm going to just stand so that you can see it. So here they are right here. So this is $4.20. This is $9.51. This is Believe, and then this is Hustle. I mean, these are beautiful. They really are. And I just patted them on. I mean, I could probably get more on my skin. Like, it's still coming off my finger and applying. So, I would say, you know, you will get plenty of, I mean, there's still plenty on my finger. Oh, I'm sorry, just knocked the camera. And there's plenty on my finger still, and plenty on my arm. And I'll show you the pans. I've got glitter everywhere. Now my hands are wet. So as you see on the glitters, I mean, there was a little bit of glitter there from me moving it around, but the pans are still, you know, pretty good. I didn't blow on it or anything like that. So, I mean, with a brush, I think you get a little bit more, you know, kick up in the pan, but I didn't get lots. So this is a really, really cute palette, and I'm glad I decided to keep it. And I did wear it the other day. I mean, I didn't do anything crazy. I still kept it pretty neutral, but I did put a little bit of the pinkish glitter just in the very center of my eye. I mean, you know, you really can't see too much of it when I wear my glasses, but I still did put it on, and I could see it, and that's really all that matters. I'm not putting makeup on for anybody else, but for myself. So I wanted to at least share that with you this week. So I did promise that to a lot of people in my comments. So since I am keeping it, and I generally don't keep palettes like that, but I really just loved the glitters, and I love some of the shades and I did not have them in other palettes because I am more prone to keeping the neutral-ish palettes, not necessarily some of these brighter colors, but I figured why not? I'm going to give it a try. If I didn't like it, I didn't like it. It came in a box. I didn't go out and spend $50, $60 on a palette that I don't like. So that is my video for today. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye now.